Hi everyone, Stella here. So after 8 weeks of this mysterious medical saga or drama, I like to call it, I finally feel better enough to actually do something, which is I revamped my link in bio right here, link in bio, yay. So let me give you a tour. So this is page 1 under Art by Stella Chang. Yes, I have 2 pages. Second page is called Art Business by Stella Chang. Very original, right? Anyway, coming back to page 1. So this is the page where you can watch my painting process over on YouTube. So if you're interested in the actual tutorial process, I don't really tell you how to paint, but I show you how I'm painting it. Now, after that, I usually will do some sort of announcement, let's say workshop and learning, and this is when I work with other artists or curators, and then we host some sort of a workshop for the public. And so yes, currently I have 2 opportunities. So we will be featuring Victoria J. Fry from Visionary Art Collective and Warren's Contemporary. She's gonna come and we're gonna do a webinar on the 21st. It's been sold out twice already. I just added another 10 tickets, so this is open to the public. RSVP now. Sorry, gotta do that little plug. This is also an exhibition open to the public, but under 2 conditions. You had to be 21 to 35 and you had to be based in a tri-state area. And if you fit these 2 criteria, submission is happening now, so submit now. Deadline is March 30th. Of course, coming back to this, you can always check out my original paintings on my art website. I no longer sell prints, and I'm gonna make another video about why this is happening. So all the original paintings, watercolor, alcohol ink, acrylic on glass, they're all available on my art website. If you are looking for affordable prints or even luxury fine art prints, come down here. I sell them through many different online retailers, and they offer different services. Many of them are also shipped globally, so just check them out. And these are all my original paintings licensed to licensing companies and publishers. And yes, and also art.com. I'm on art.com. And just like everybody else trying to make a small commission, these are actually the art supplies I use. I'm not sponsored to use them. I buy them with my own money. And yes, I do make a small commission. If you're interested to try any of the brushes or paint or gloss or even my scanner, check them out. For King Art specifically, I think if you click on it, there is a 10% discount code Art by Stella Chang 10. Just put this in at the checkout. Last but not least, if you have any questions regarding anything like, hey Stella, what was the brush that you used for this video? Or hey Stella, I want to buy your original painting. What is your shipping policy? Just contact me, ask me the question. Or you can join the art circle. If you join my newsletter, I can promise you I don't spam you. I don't send quarterly email to make sure you are still with me. No, I don't do any of that. I only reach out to you under a couple circumstances. Number 1, I have a new art drop. Number 2, I have some kind of exclusive discount only my subscribers will receive. And number 3, I have a show and I want to invite you to come and celebrate with me. And some of the shows, especially art fairs, you actually have to buy tickets. I usually will give out complimentary tickets. So yeah, lots of perks. You should subscribe and take a look. I do want to talk a little bit about my page too. If you are an artist or you're thinking about becoming an artist, Art Business by Stella Chang is where you'll find a lot of art resources I created for you. I wish I had access to this when I first started out back in 2021. So I will make a much longer in-depth video talking about this page and how to utilize the resources. But for now, just take a look. My YouTube is Art Biz by Stella Chang, because Art Business by Stella Chang is too long of a handle. YouTube wouldn't let me do it. So it's Art Biz, B-I-Z. I attended Certex and ended up signing with the top licensing agency in the world, Rosensteels. Thank you very much. I also show you 2 sample licensing contracts, and I teach you how to literally read legalese. Anyway, I also offer business mentorship. So take a look, and I hope to see you in my next video. Ciao.